Hello everyone and welcome to another Mantax video. So today we're going to do another drawing video, but before that I want to show you something. We recently hit 1,000 subscriber milestone, so that's what you get, an email from YouTube themselves. So it's Mantax. We always knew this day would come and we hope you did too. You're doing amazing work and we couldn't be happier for you. Now go share this GIF and good news using hashtag 1K creator. So thank you all who subscribed to me, and let's jump right into the drawing video. Okay, so this is it. This is finished drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, or a comment, and I'll definitely draw more. Before you go, leave a comment what should I draw next, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.